So next we have PPREV 102, that is Anshika Gulati. Anshika, I have made you the panelist. Please unmute yourself and please open your video cam.
Good evening, everyone. This is Anshika Gulati, family third year, pursuing from Chitkara University. Here I am to present my e-poster, and the topic for the same is herbal therapeutics for the management of ischemic stroke. So first of all, the question arises, what is stroke? Stroke is a medical emergency in which blood supply to the part of the brain is reduced or being interrupted. And as a result, this prevents brain tissue from getting enough of oxygen and nutrients that it requires, which apparently leads to the death of the brain cells in a fewer time. So stroke is mainly of three types: hemorrhage stroke, ischemic stroke, and transient ischemic attack. Hemorrhage stroke is one that happens due to the leakage of the blood from the arteries, and the ischemic stroke is one that happens when the blood flow from the artery carrying oxygen-rich blood to the brain gets blocked, and this blockage is due to the clots that happens in the brain cells. And then transient ischemic attack. These are the small attacks that all obviously happen due to the blockage of the artery, and these only last for a few minutes. So let's just focus on our main topic, that is obviously ischemic attack. This happens due to this. There are certain risk factors due to which this happens, which includes circulatory conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, prior heart attacks, atrial fibrillation, sickle cell anemia, many such conditions, many such risk factors are responsible for the same. So now let's just talk about how ischemic stroke is prevented. Apparently, Western medicine system is given, which includes intravenous medications and some medications like anticoagulants, statins, or clot busters, which are directly given to the brain. But all of these may induce certain kind of side effects, which may be for a longer term. So due to the lack of effective and broadly applicable pharmacological strategies for the treatment of ischemic stroke, scientists are really growing their interest towards the traditional and alternative medicine that is mainly of plant origin, that is known as herbal medications, of which active constituents may suggest the promising future of natural medicine for stroke treatment. And herbal drugs certainly give some of the effects such as antioxidant, anti-apoptotic, anti-inflammatory, neuroprotective, vascular protective effects, which are believed to be very efficacious for the stroke treatment and are even safer to use over a longer period of time and are more effective. So here in my e-poster, I just mentioned a table. Ma'am, could you please zoom it in?
Okay, sure. Is it all right?
Ma'am, left, right side. I want to see the table.
Yeah, table. It is visible now.
Ma'am, the full table I want to see. Yes, ma'am. In my table, I just mentioned some of the plants' names, some active constituents, and its biological effects. So one of them is Artemisia absinthium, Osmium basilicum, Osmium sanctinum. These all provide some of the biological effects, such as they help in restoring or declining the mental function. They improve the memory, reduce the anxiety, and many neurodegenerative treatment they are helpful for, and obviously lead to the decreasing in the symptoms of ischemic stroke and also helpful for its treatment. There are certain other herbal medications also like oil of O. europaea, Lavandula officinalis, and many others. So herbal medicines really have excellent perspective for the treatment of ischemic stroke, but a lot of effort should be invested to transform the success of animal research to human use. And also in the last few decades, knowledge of pathophysiology of ischemic stroke has really been improved. And so as a result, many new medications have been tested. So here we focus on beneficial effects of herbal drugs in patients with stroke, and on the possibility of herbal drugs to increase the therapeutic time window in patients with cerebral ischemia. So yes, according to me, herbal medications really have a golden future for the treatment of ischemic stroke. Thank you.
Thank you, Anshika. Thank you very much. we can have the question answer session now.
Okay. Nice presentation. I have a question. You choose the topic ischemic stroke, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you mentioned the herbal preparations or herbal plants for treatment of various diseases like neurological diseases or other diseases.
Yes, ma'am.
How you can relate this ischemic stroke condition?
And how you can relate this to? Sorry.
Ischemic heart, ischemic stroke condition.
Ma'am, because in stroke, there are certain symptoms such as difficulty in walking, anxiety, headache, neurodegenerative disorder. There occur the symptoms. So due to the symptoms, we can find out that the patient would be having a disease, ischemic stroke. So just due to prevent those symptoms and to prevent the disease, we can use the herbal medication to reduce the symptoms and so treatment of the ischemic stroke.
Okay. So all the biological effects you checked are in ischemic stroke animal model, or they just improve memory, other things which are symptom of ischemic stroke?
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't get you.
You mentioned the biological effect of various herbal plants, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can say that these biological effect is in ischemic stroke condition. Maybe the primary disease is other than ischemic stroke.
Other than the stroke, some kind of
Hmm.
diseases, the brain diseases, or like which may like one may have anxiety issues or migraine or the brain related diseases that may also be helpful for them also.
Okay, so it's not sure not these herbal plants are helpful in ischemic stroke condition. They will just show improvement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Scientists are really
Thank
doing their
you.
interest to treat this, so they are on the way for the research of the same.
Okay, there is a hypothesis that these plant helps in these sign and symptom improvement, so we can utilize them in ischemic stroke condition.
Yes, ma'am. Even these herbal drugs also increase the therapeutic time window in the patients with cerebral ischemia. So, of course, in the cerebral ischemia, we should have the increased therapeutic time window due to show some good beneficial effects for the brain.
Okay. Thank you, Anshika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anshika. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.